office jong Deputy Commissioner ka East Giant Hill District menta ke sngi ka lapdiang burom ya ka samla Irene Dkhar arpos nem karta ka banakas nong Rembai East Giant Hills District ka blayo ra ya ka nam lado kum ka Miss North East ha ka jinga ko balapun long men ha ka South Rik menta ubnai ha ka nong ba Kohima hanagalan Deputy Commissioner jong East Giant Hill District u Abilaj Banarwal ula IT ya ka memento sya ka samla Irene Dkhar ha ka jinga lang ka balay don lang daw additional Deputy Commissioner ba Jonathan Chilla u District Coordinator jong ka Swachh Bharat Mission East Giant Hills District u ba wan ba buam kumjuru ka kong yaipen kre Dkhar but u ba jensing bare ki bade ki kme ki pa jong ka samla Irene Dkhar ha ka jinga don lang ki bahayeng basem ki nong tre jong ka office u Deputy Commissioner but kiwe Habakren haga jinga lang balapan long haka conference hall ka DC office ha clearian nakaliang jong Deputy Commissioner ka East Giant Hills District u Abilaj Banarwal ula ay kublay kit bok kit riang ya ka samla Irene Dkhar bakan nang ke wirat chaprang but ula panpaw ya ka jing sokmen halo ka jing job jongka ka balawan ra ya ka nam but ka buram omtang ya ka district Henry ya ka jilahi baro ka we Hak juk kapor ula kerpat ya ka samla Irene Dkhar bakan shim ya ka benta ban long kum kanong ai mensim ya ki we ki para samla badru ban mi shakmat hakinu kinu ki rensan bakiwe pat ki para samla kin pe shaka kum kanong muna ban gentew ya ka than bad ya ka jelahi baro ka we
Everyone, my name is Irene Dkhar, the recently crowned Miss Northeast 2022, and at the moment I am here as the District Commissioner. He is welcoming me today, and I have here my parents. This is my mom, Miss Irene Dkhar, and this is my dad, Mr. Jensing Samla. First of all, I would like to give my heartfelt gratitude to God for having been with me throughout this journey. Because had it not been for Him, I would not have won this crown. And it's not an easy journey, but I believe it's through the hard work, determination, and mostly of all, putting God first in whatever I do. That is the reason why I am being crowned Miss Northeast 2022. And I would like to thank the people, especially the people of my district, my state, who have been my grateful supporters right from day one, who have been putting me in your prayers. I truly appreciate that so much, and thank you once again. Towards the society, I'd like to be a social figure for the youth, especially who are fighting against mental illness, because I believe that it's high time that we also cater to the needs of the mental health of the youth for a peaceful society, country, and eventually a peaceful world. I aspire to be a psychologist, and my hobbies are playing basketball, cooking, and dancing, as I believe they bring out the best of my abilities. The moment I received the crown, first of all, it was an overwhelming feeling that I felt, and the most important thing that I remember was God, because I don't know, like for me, I believe that if a person is God-loving and have faith in Him, then she will eventually able to achieve the dreams. But with that comes your hard work also. You do your hard work and God will do the rest. Thank you so much, sir, the Deputy Commissioner, for having me here and giving me a special felicitation, which is such a big thing for me. And thank you to all the members who are there, who have been there for me and have made me feel like one of a special figure. Thank you so much.